Okay, good morning guys. How are you? In this video I'm gonna show you how to solve circuits a little bit more complicated than the ones you've been solving so far. Okay, I call them puzzles because they are like a puzzle or like a maze in which you had to imagine what happened every time you activate or you close a switch or you push a button, and then you had to say which lamps are going to be on. Okay, so imagine that you have this circuit with a lot of control elements and lamps, and you have different options. Okay, the first one, you might that you had to close the switch number 2, the two-way switch in position 1, and so on and so. Okay, but for the example, we're gonna do the example number 2. In this case, we had to imagine that we're going to close the switch number 1. The two-way switch C1 means that we leave it here, and P2 means that we're gonna push this push button. So when you are solving this on a paper, the best thing you can do is take a pencil and draw the switches that you are closing. For example, we're closing this, it means that we're connecting this point and this one. The two-way switch, we leave it here in this position. Okay, and finally we're going to push the P2 push button, so we can draw this. Always use a pencil so you can erase it and continue with the next option. So now imagine that we have the current leaving the battery in the positive, and it's coming this way, this way, this way, no problem, coming this way, because all the circuit is closed. Okay, so this is closed because this is a normally closed push button. Unless you push, it's going to remain closed. So the current is coming this way, so this lamp is on because it's connected both to the positive and to the negative. This one is going to be on as well, and this one is going to be on. Okay, because all the three are connected at the same time to the positive and the negative of the battery. For example, this one is going to be off because this side is open. Okay, this one is off because even if taking this path, it looks like this is connected. It's connected both to the positive but and the negative as well, but the other terminal of the lamp is not connected because look, even if we are closing this push button here, the circuit is open. Okay, so I guess the answer is A, B, and C, but we can check it with this crocodile program. This is very easy to use. So as we say, we close this switch and we push this push button. Let's see what happens. Okay, I close this switch, and now, yeah, as we say, this lamp, this one and this one are on, and let's see what happens when I push this push button. Nothing happens. Why? Because as I told you, this is open, so this lamp is not connected to the negative, and this lamp is not connected to the negative. This one is not connected, right? So the answer would be A, B, and D. Okay? So I hope with this explanation you understand much better how to solve this circuit. Bye bye.